Today, we're going to focus on having a smart house and what happens when you die. In my house, if I die, nothing will happen. Life goes on as it ever was before. The smart switches can still be operated manually. The smart thermostat can still be operated manually. The door locks still works fine with the key. When people ring the smart doorbell, it still rings fine. For whatever reason, we're in World War III and the internet is down, everything works fine, as it ever was before. One other thing that people need to understand is that they need to get away from the cloud, from the internet, from being dependent on other companies, or people in this case, in case they die. There are plenty of devices that works fine without internet, without being dependent on a cloud, without an account tied to that device. Just off the top of my head, for lights I have Shelly, Zigbee, and Z-Wave switches. So be sure to do your homework and verify the device you're buying is one that works perfectly fine with or without the internet. Verify that it's not locked down to an account, because God forbid if you die, that device is pretty much now useless. Besides dying, how about moving? How about renting the house? If you're moving, it's going to take a lot of time just to rip things out of the wall, move things around, and then move into your new house. Just forget it. My best advice is just leave those smart devices wherever they are. It's not worth your time, really. The person who's moving into your smart house, you don't have to give them any password. You don't have to reset anything. The new owner, if they're smart enough, they should be easily able to set up their own accounts, pair it up with your devices. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful on owning a smart house and planning for the future in case you die or somebody die. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.